Practical demonstration. The following shows the normal operation process for you. Hold down the brake. Move the filling nozzle above the opening mouth of the barrel after we press it. Press the filling nozzle to align the opening mouth of the barrel. Now it prompts that we have the counterpart OK. After the counterpart is OK, we click to start filling. The system starts filling. The valve is being filled with nitrogen. Nitrogen filling time can be set. Nitrogen filling completed. Automatic air and filling at the same time. The valve opens, and the filling nozzle opens. Correspondingly, we have an indicator light for filling. It means valve activation. Filling completed. Refill nitrogen. If you do not want to fill nitrogen, set the nitrogen filling time to 0. After the filling is completed, the nozzle will automatically rise.